Hello, how's everyone doing? We are going to go over lesson 1-3, make 10 to add. So first I want to start with this rainbow. So this is how it's always good to start with this because it helps you understand which add-ins or which numbers make 10. So when you add things together, which equals 10? So we're going to go over all of them to begin with, then we're going to talk about it. So if you want to pause the video and write all of this down, I would highly recommend it because it helps you understand and remember which add-ins make 10. So we're going to go over it together, but if you want to pause the video so that you can write this down too, I would recommend it. So first we're going to start with 0 on our red because you start at 0, right? That's the first number. It's not 1. The first number is 0. So 0 plus what equals 10? So if you have 0 of nothing, or you have nothing, and you add 10, what does it equal? So we're going to go all the way across the red. 0 plus 10 equals 10. So you can go ahead and put that down here. So 0 plus 10 equals 10. And then 10 plus 0 equals 10. Remember from lesson 1 that I went over, even if you change those add-ins, the sum is always the same. So let's go ahead to the orange. So our next number is 1. So 1 plus what equals 10? 1 plus 9 equals 10, right? So we're going to go around the orange. We're going to put a 9 in right there. Then we're going to put a 9 right here. 1 plus 9 equals 10. And 9 plus 1 equals 10. So let's go to our yellow. Our next number is 2. So 2 plus what equals 8? 2 plus what equals 10? I just told you guys the answer. Let's go to the yellow, and 2 plus 8 equals 10. So let's go ahead and put this down here. 2 plus 8 equals 10, and 8 plus 2 equals 10. So remember, if you change those add-ins, the sum is always the same. Let's go ahead and to the next one. So our next number is 3. 3 plus what equals 10? So 3 plus 7 equals 10. So we're going to put that down here. 3 plus 7 equals 10. And 7 plus 3 equals 10. So let's go to our blue. Our next number is 4. So 4 plus what equals 10? It's 4 plus 6 equals 10. So we're going to put 4 plus 6 equals 10 down here. And 6 plus 4 equals 10 down here. And our last number in between here is 5. So our doubles fact, 5 plus 5 equals 10. So if you want to pause the video and write all of this down to help you out, or keep it always with you on your side to remember that these always make 10, I would highly recommend doing that. So we are going to go ahead and start on our lesson. So how can thinking about 10, how can thinking about the number 10 help you find 9 plus 3? So I'm going to write the equation up here. How can making 10 help you find the equation or solve the equation 9 plus 3? I'm going to put it right here. So this is our tens frame mat. Right now there's 2 tens frames to make 20, but this is a tens frame. And the reason that it's called a tens frame is because there's 10 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we want to make 10. So our answer, or our number right here, is 9, right? Right here. So to use your handy dandy rainbow, we are going to go look for 9. So 9, if you go all the way across, plus 1 equals 10. So we are going to take 1 from 3 and make it and give it to the 9 to make 10. So I am going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we just took 1 from the 3, because remember 9 plus 1 equals 10. So we just took 1 from the 3 to get 10. So now we have 10 plus how many more, right? So if we have 3 and you take 1 from the 3, you have 2, right? So we have 10 plus 2 equals 12. So I'm going to go ahead and put 2 more dots in our tens frame. So if we know 10 plus 2 equals 12, then we know that 9 plus 3 equals 12. So we just made 10 with that equation. All right, let's do this again. So our next equation is going to be 8 plus 5 equals we don't know. So let's figure out which other number makes 10 with 8. We're going to use our handy dandy rainbow. So 8 and 2. So we know that 8 plus 2 equals 10. So we are going to be taking 2 from 5. So 5 minus 2. We're going to be taking 2 from 5 to get 10. So now we can make 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now we have 10 plus something. 10 plus something. So if we have 5 and we took 2 from the 5 and gave it to the 8 to make 10, we have 5 minus 2. So if you want to put up your hands, you can put up 5 fingers and put down 2 fingers. How many fingers do you have left? 3. So we have 10 plus 3. So let's go ahead and draw out 3 circles. 10 plus 3. If you have 10 and you add 3 more, your answer is 13. So then if we know 10 plus 3 equals 13, then we know that 8 plus 5 equals 13. All right, let's do another one. Here we go. Let's do the equation 7 plus 4. So let's use our rainbow and see which number equals 10 with 7. So we go over here, we're at 7. And you go across the green line. Okay, so 3. So 7 plus 3 equals 10. So we are going to take 3 from the 4 and give it to the 7 to make 10. So that gives us 10, right? Now I'm going to draw out 10 circles now. Oh, I'm on my eraser. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. So if we take 3 from 4, if you have 4 and you take 3 away, so go ahead and put up 4 fingers, and you took 1 away, 2 away, 3 away, you have 1 left. So we are going to have 1 left, which that means we have 11, because this is 10, and you add 1 more to 10, that equals 11. So your equation is going to be 10 plus 1 equals 11. So if we know 10 plus 1 equals 11, then we know that 7 plus 4 equals 11, right? Let's do one more. Here we go. Let's do the equation 6 plus 5. 6 plus 5. So let's go over to our rainbow. What is attached to 6? 6 plus what equals 10? So let's look. 6 plus 4 equals 10. We are going to take 4 from 5 to make 10. So we're going to have 10 now. Let's draw out 10 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, so we have 10 right now. We gave four numbers from the 5 and gave it to the 6 so that we can make 10. So we have 5 minus 4. So if you hold up 5 fingers and you put 4 down, 1, 2, 3, 4. You only have 1 left. So I'm going to go ahead and draw that in our boxes. So now we know that 6 plus 5 equals 11, right? Because you have 10 right here. You have one more. 10 plus 1 equals 11. So if we know 10 plus 1 equals 11, then we know that 6 plus 5 equals 11. So we just added to make 10. This is another strategy that you can use when you're adding to figure out the answer or the sum. So I would highly recommend using this rainbow chart. It helps out a lot, help you remember which numbers make 10 so that you can add to make 10. All right, thank you guys. I'll see you later.